Obviously, there's a lot of online tools for teachers, but how do we use them effectively? Right? I'm going to show you 6 tools, and we're going to use them all to adapt one lesson. My name is Brandon Jackson, and I'm an academic development specialist at the University of Delaware. In 2020, I piloted a gaming course right smack in the middle of the pandemic. It was perfect timing. It was supposed to be a hands-on course. Obviously, teaching online doesn't have the same seamless interaction as face-to-face teaching. So if you don't find ways to make your lessons intuitive and communicative, it doesn't feel like teaching. It feels like you're holding a seance in a dark cave. This session, I'm teaching a reading-writing course, and the first unit is about design. Even though it's a reading-writing course, I like to teach in multiple modes. So I found a lesson on ESL Brains based around a TED Talk lecture on design thinking. So the worksheet has 6 sections: a table completion, discussion questions, definition matching, completing collocations, and there's watching the video, and then there's an extension activity for applying the principles you learn about in the lesson. So let's go through each activity and adapt it. I find word wall tables are great for just throwing up in front of the students and letting them at it. It's pretty intuitive. I would recreate this table in Google Docs or Slides, or I'll share, one edit link with the students. And this is great for a do now or transition activity. In the discussion section, depending on the types of questions, you can go in a lot of different directions. For yes or no binary questions, I would just create a poll in Zoom or PollEverywhere. But for open-ended questions, I prefer to create a live form. So I'll create a shelf Padlet page and head each column with a question. And students can respond however they like: text, images, video, free reign. So this can be done in a myriad of ways. A simple matching poll on Zoom can work, or you can make it interactive with Google Slides, or that involves taking a screenshot of each answer so that you can manipulate it. Then I would drop it in the Google Slide or a Zoom Whiteboard. So this is a reading-writing class, so I'm not going to show a whole TED Talk. I might preview it or assign it for homework, then maybe pair that with a discussion or reflection assignment. But you can also make it an interactive activity with Edpuzzle. I would place the 4 quotes to go with the video as yes or no questions. And I would recommend leaving the open-ended part of this for discussion at the start of the next class. It's too much to kind of cram it all into one lesson. So for the extension activity, there are limitless possibilities. And since this is all about design, I think this is a great opportunity for visualization. So I'm going to create a template in Canva and ask the students to design an ideal classroom. That's it. I will follow up with more details about how to use these tools, but I also want to hear from you. Have you used these tools before? Which ones would you use for this lesson? How would you adapt this lesson for your teaching style? And post any questions you have in the comments below. I'm going to post a follow-up video after I actually teach this lesson, so look out for that.